We're gonna build what I call a bake or no bake Alaska. I'm gonna bake the cake base, or you can buy a store-bought cake and have it be a no bake Alaska. So I've got some sugar in a bowl, vanilla, salt. It helps with the leavening of the cake. 1 whole egg. Give it a little whisk to moisten that sugar in that egg. Add melted butter, slightly cooled. And now I'm gonna add the sour cream. That's what gives it that what's in this cake vibe right in there. Just mix. Sifting, just get one of these like fine mesh little guys. Put your flour, and in this instance, baking soda and baking powder. You can either tap, or you can literally use your whisk. No lumps in any of the dry ingredients. It also aerates your dry ingredients so that as you mix them, they're fluffier. Back to the spatula, drawing the flour in from the sides. Spread the batter out and up over the sides and add all those chips. When the surface area of the batter is spread all around, I don't have to mix it as much. Just draw it in from the middle, give it a stir, and we're done. A greased loaf pan, gather that batter up and drop it right in here. Get all that batter in there. Pat it a little bit. Now I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. We're going to cut about a 1-inch thick slice, and we're going to take a round cutter, cut around and twist. It's like chocolate chip cookie in cake form. We're going to scoop, in this case, some strawberry ice cream, and then we're going to pop these on a tray with a little room between each, and make sure that the tray you use fits in your freezer. I'm going to pop this in the freezer for at least 4 hours and up to 12. We want to get this nice and firm and chilled up. And now the meringue, which is really the glue for all this dessert. Put the egg whites in the mixer. This is the whisk on properly. I lift it up and move it down a little. That way it really touches the bottom. You see, we're breaking up those whites. They're getting a little frothy. Now sugar, add, let's say, about a generous half. Start to froth up. Put some cream of tartar. Now we whip. Now when this is about doubled in volume, I'll add the rest of that sugar. I'm seeing the traces of the whisk in the egg whites. We're close to where we want to be. The meringue should just kind of hang on to the whisk a little bit. Come on. I've got a pastry bag and a star tip. Fit it around a quart container, and we put that meringue, look at that. Go into the bottom and scrape the side. Twist gently. We're like ready for the world. These have been in the freezer, so they're pretty firm. Turn your baking sheet so you don't have walls. I'm having a meringue fest. So I'm going to do an intricate one, get a little more dramatic up here on the top, and then we torch. Ever so gently, just cooks it. You see that I'm pretty far away because we don't really want to burn it. I think that's pretty good. Let's get a look inside. Oh yeah. Cake, ice cream, meringue, let's do it. Right there. I'm going to just put a few of those macerated strawberries. You make this. This is a knockout. A little of that liquid, and the proof is getting into that middle. Toasted, goopy, frozen cake. This is a pinball that just hits every part of the machine. Get with it.